What's up, everybody? In today's video, we are going to learn how to make this awesome flyer interactive design in Canva. If you're new here, my name is Sashabinama Godswill. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you want more tutorials like this, please follow up. And I just want to walk you through the process that I use in coming up with this design. First up, I just want to let you know that I got this from Pinterest. Okay, I was scrolling through Pinterest and I saw this design, this one right here, this one. And I saw the interaction. In my head, I was like, can Canva do this? I just want to show you the process. So I have all my elements here, the image of this lady, then the other elements like the one you've seen here, like this one and this one. I use my logo here, okay, just to make it easy for me. So that's what we're going to be learning in this video. So let's jump right into Canva and do that now. All right, the first thing we need to do is to create a new page. Come here, and I'm using the Instagram size, the portrait size, and just click on that, allow it to load. Then we're going to import all our elements from the previous design into this new design. Then we'll start working on it. Okay, but first let's come to our old design. I'm going to copy this, Control C, come to our new design, yet to load, Control V. It has been imported into your design. All you can do is to search for frame, go to element and look for frame, then this rounded one, rounded edge one. So here is where it becomes very tricky. You're going to position your frame in the right position before you do anything. Okay, so try and scale it. Duplicate this one, okay, and position it somewhere here too. We're going to resize this to match the bottom. Then this one, I'm going to resize it to be something like this. Okay, make sure that you're having this size, okay, on the image, because we want to resize the image to fit the frame and not the frame to fit the image. Okay, once you're done like this, the next thing you need to do is to make a copy, duplicate this one, and drag it into the first frame. Then one behind it, drag it into the second frame. Once you're dragging an element towards a frame, it automatically snaps inside. So this is what we have now. To edit, you need to double click on it. So what we can do is to drag this one down until it reaches the bottom here, okay? Because that's the size that we use in positioning it the first time. So we have this one now. Then on this one, we're going to double click it, then align it to the one behind it. So double click, okay? And just align it till it matches the one behind it. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect, but at least let it be close. Okay, you click done, or you just click anywhere off here to commit your edit. So now that we have this, so we have this one that's poking out. So we're gonna make a copy of this. Let's make a copy first. So we have it here. We're gonna detach this image, detach image. The frame is still supposed to be here, okay. We're going to delete the frame, we don't need it anyway. Then for this one, don't drag it, because if you drag it's going to replace the image. That's not what you want. We're going to remove the background, okay. Just give it some few seconds. So once the background is removed, I'm going to crop out this bottom part. Then we're going to drag it. While dragging it, make sure that you don't drag it on top of this, because it's going to replace it. So what we can do in most cases, when you're trying to move something to align with an image that's inside the frame, try as much that your mouse does not move into the frame. Okay, so I'll come here and hold this object. Okay, come here. As long as it doesn't get into the frame, it will replace it. So I'm just going to be doing it from afar, and make sure you align the image until it matches with the one behind. This can be very tricky to do. um so I'm just going to try and match it. Okay, now it's perfectly matching. So this is just something different that's out there. I'm going to Control Z so I don't miss my match. So that's it. Then for the other element, I'm just going to copy them from, let me copy this whole page, Control C. This from the one I showed you earlier. Let's come here, click Control V. Okay, this is going to paste our element here. Now we have all these. So I'm just going to copy all these, Control C, paste it on my design, just position it here. Okay, it matches. Then for this other one, I'm going to Control C2 and Control V. and we're just gonna position this one somewhere here. Then we're gonna write the word black and yellow. Just this one. These are just this is not the main purpose of this tutorial. That's the reason why I'm copying and pasting. But you can actually just type them, draw a box, put MXL, and that's it. So for the background, I don't want it to be plain white. I'm just gonna make it something pale. Just come here. We can pick something yellowish and just go on the pale side. Very little. Okay, instead of leaving it plain white. So that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you find it helpful. If you got any value from this video, please leave a like. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. And until next time. And finally, in case you want these templates, I'm going to leave a link in the description if you want it to practice along, especially with the element and all that. And in case you want to learn Canva from scratch, you don't know where or how to use Canva at all, I have a course. The link is in the description. You can go get it. So that's it for this video. And until next time, don't stop executing on your creative vision. Bye. Ya.